Today we are going to be making ginger and butternut soup in our Instant Pot. Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you're having a great day. Today in this video we are going to be making a recipe in our Instant Pot. We're going to be using the recipe book that comes with our Instant Pot and creating the first recipe in it. The very first recipe is ginger and butternut soup. In the description of this video, there is a link to an Instant Pot, and when you purchase it, you get this recipe book. So let's take a look at all the ingredients we need to make this soup. We have butternut squash that I have already cubed half of it for us. This is a yellow onion and I've already diced that up. We're gonna be using pumpkin seeds. We've got nutmeg, fresh ginger, salt and pepper, olive oil, vegetable broth, and don't forget our Instant Pot. So the first thing we wanna do is select saute to preheat our pressure cooker. Now that the front display says hot, we're going to start sauteing our onions. So we're gonna add a little bit of oil. Next, our chopped onions, and you can start to hear it sizzling in there. We're gonna add a little bit of salt. As well as a little bit of pepper. And stir these around to get them sauteed. You wanna keep stirring and sauteing until your onions are nice and soft. Now we're gonna move some of the onions aside and we're gonna add a little bit of our butternut squash. Just enough to cover the bottom on part of your Instant Pot. We're gonna leave it just like this for about 5 minutes so those can get nice and brown. We're gonna stir this just a little bit every so often. It's time to add the rest of our butternut squash as well as our nutmeg, and I'm using a 1/4 teaspoon. I'm gonna add our fresh ginger that I've already peeled and diced up. And we're going to add our vegetable broth. Let's give this a nice stir. Now we want to take our Instant Pot lid, put it on, close it. We want to select pressure cook and then use these dials right here to set it for 10 minutes. Now that our 10 minutes are up, we're going to press cancel to do a quick release option and then turn this to venting. Now that all of our steam has been released, we can take our lid off. We'll set this aside. Now right inside of our Instant Pot, I'm going to use an immersion blender to blend it up. Let's grab ourselves a bowl and a ladle. It looks like a really good consistency. It looks like I got all the chunks out, so all the butternut squash and the onions are all blended up. That looks delicious. Let's go ahead and give this a try. It is very hot. I'm gonna blow on it just a little bit. Oh, this would be great, you guys, on a fall day. Get ready for fall. This is a great recipe. The recipe says to add some pumpkin seeds. I got some of those here, so let's give it a try with a few pumpkin seeds on it. Sprinkle them on here. Get some in a bite. This is a really tasty and healthy recipe. Remember that this recipe comes with your Instant Pot when you buy it, and there's a link in the description of the video if you want to pick one up for yourself. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Give it a try and tell me if you like butternut squash soup or not. Hope you guys have a great day. See you next video and keep smiling.